Hello, here's me again, and here I'm going to show you the real use of simple past and past continuous. Remember, action, interruption, past continuous, simple past, past continuous, simple past. So let's watch this video. So there you have. When Bruce was shot.
I'm so terribly sorry, Mr. Wayne. It is Mr. Wayne, isn't it?
Max was running, you see the action, yeah, running.
We're sorry! Can this be over now?
When he walked into view,
so many problems.
the interruption.
What do you mean at this moment?
They were trying to escape. Yeah, you know, the action. When Lotso interrupted. It was raining. Yeah, raining. It was raining. When they kissed, Prim was walking. Yeah, she was walking. When Katniss called her name, the interruption. See?
I'm betting the Joker.
He was pointing a gun to the Joker. Yeah, you see a process. He was pointing a gun to the Joker, at the Joker.
What bus driver?
When he was hit by a bus. She was waking up. You wake up, you know. When she realized Kirito was watching her. Interruption.
Bold of you to claim that you're the one who stands at the pinnacle
Galan
of all
was
race.
laughing.
You are, without a doubt, the cockiest human I've ever met.
When Escalor cut him in half. Katie was walking in the street. The action when she fell into the trash. So Astrid was running. Yeah, the action, the process when she was lifted by a dragon. Ned was fighting Jamie. When he was injured by a soldier. Interruption. Elsa and Emma were playing, yeah. So a long process, they were playing. When Elsa slipped on the ice. Interruption. Everyone were celebrating. A long process, many seconds in the movie. When she realized Cedric was dead. Interruption. They were waiting. Yeah? They were waiting when they heard the noise at the dentist. They were walking through the forest.
So now we actually find a unicorn? I'm gonna film it and get rich.
When they discovered a beautiful place. Yeah. So once again the process and the interruptions. The soldiers were leaving when they heard a beautiful song singing. Beatrice was walking a process, yeah, when she was attacked by a group of people. the process, the action, and the interruption. Always, yeah? Action, interruption. Yeah? So see you guys in the classes, and please study and work in your Cambridge website and also in your topic speech. Bye.